Now we discuss about preparations of phenols from haloarens downs process. Chlorobenzene plus NaOH 6 23 Kelvin 300 atm sodium phenoxides O Na plus HCl phenols OH from benzene sulphonic acid SO3H NaOH benzene sulphonic acid sodium phenoxide phenols O minus Na plus OH. When benzene when treated with molums gives the sulphonic acid benzene molum sulfonations benzene sulphonic acid SO3 diazonium salt N2 N plus 2 Cl minus benzene diazonium chloride phenol N2 plus HCl benzene nitrobenzene reduction SN HCl aniline NH2 digestions N2 plus Cl minus benzene diazonium chloride cumene isopropyl benzene CH3 CH3 oxidations O2 CH3C CH3OOH dilute H2SO4 phenol OH acetones cumene hydroproxides cumene isopropyl benzene. Cumene is prepared from benzenes by Friedel-Crafts reactions with the propyl chloride in the presence of anhydrous AlCl3 or the propene in presence of H3PO4 CH3CH3. Cumene isopropyl benzene. Physical property of alcohol. Physical state: lower alcohol, colorless liquid, smell; higher alcohol, colorless, odorless, waxy solid. Solubility of alcohol in water due to their ability to form hydrogen bond with water molecules. Solubility decrease with increase in the size of alkyl group. Solubility increase with increase in the branching. Physical property of phenol. Physical state: phenols are colorless, crystalline, solid, or the liquid having characteristic phenolic odors. Solubility: as alcohol, phenols are soluble in water due to formations of hydrogen bond with water. Less soluble than alcohol due to large hydrocarbon benzene ring part. Chemical property of phenols. Acidic nature. Phenols are more acidic than the phenols alcohol. Phenols are more acidic than alcohol. The hydroxyl group in phenols is directly attached to highly electronegative sp2 hybridized Ce atoms of the benzene rings, which decrease the electron density on the oxygen atoms. This increases the polarity of OH bond and result in an increase in the ionizations of phenols. Phenoxide ions is more stabilized by resonance than the phenols, as resonating structure of phenols have charge separations. In substituted phenols, an electrons withdrawing group increases the acidic strength, while an electrons releasing group decrease the acidic strength of phenols. Chlorides test. Phenols give violet color with neutral FeCl3 solutions. OH plus FeCl3 3H plus FeOC6H5 3 minus plus 3HCl. Violet complex. Bromine water test. Phenol give white ppt with the Br2 water due to the formations of 2,4,6 tribromophenol OH plus 3Br2 H2O Br white ppt. Chemical properties of alcohol. Alcohol react both as nucleophile when the bond between OH is broken, also electrophile when the bond between CO is broken. Acidic of alcohol 1 degree greater than 2 degree and 2 degree greater than 3 degree. More the number of electron releasing group, lesser acidic strength. Order of reactivity of reactions involving cleavage of COH bond 3 degree is greater than 2 degree, 2 degree greater than 1 degree. Age of dehydration of alcohol 3 degree alcohol greater than 2 degree alcohol, 2 degree alcohol greater than 3 and 1 degree alcohol. Dehydration of alcohol always according to Sadjeff rule. More substituted alkene is major product. 3 degree alcohol do not undergo oxidation reactions with the strong oxidizing agent like KMNO4 in the neutral or alkaline solutions, but the readily oxidize in the acidic solutions K2Cr2O7 H2SO4 or KMNO4 H2SO4. Distinguish between 1 degree, 2 degree, 3 degree alcohols. Victor Meyer's test. Primary alcohol blood red color RCH2OH HI RCH2 IAG NO2 के परसेंस में RCH2 NO2 HONO RC डबल बॉन्ड NO2 नाइट्रोलिक एसिड NaOH ब्लड रेड कलर. सेकेंडरी अल्कोहल ब्लड ब्लू कलर. सेकेंडरी अल्कोहल ब्लू कलर R2CHOH HI R2CHI AgNO2 R2CHNO2 HONO R2CNO2 NO pseudo nitro NaOH blue color. Tertiary alcohol colorless R3COH HI R3CI AgNO2 R3CNO2 HONO no reactions NaOH colorless. Lucas test. Lucas reagent concentration HCl and anhydrous ZnCl2. Primary alcohol no cloudiness appears. Secondary alcohol cloudiness appears within 5-10 minutes. Tertiary alcohol cloudiness appeared immediately. Distinguish between alcohol and phenols test. Alcohol phenols. Litmus test. No effect. Turn blue litmus red. Reactions with the FeCl3. No reactions blue violet or greens. Coupling reactions. No reactions yellow or orange color. Azodize. Bromine water test. No reactions. White PPT of 2,4,6 tribromo phenols. Commercially alcohol importance methanols food spirit CO plus 2H2O ZNO Cr2O3 200 to 300 atm. Pressure 573 to 673 Kelvin. Reagent के परसेंस में CH3OH methanol. Colorless liquid highly poisonous. Ingestions of a small quantity can cause the blindness. Large quantity cause death. Also used as the solvent in paints, varnishes, and for the making the formaldehyde. Ethanols commercially manufactured by the using the fermentations of the sugar present in the sugarcane of the fruits such as the grape. C12H22O11 plus H2O invertage. C6H12O6 glucose. C6H12O6 fructose. C6H12O6 glucose enzymes. 2C2H5OH ethanol. 2CO to ethanols. Ethanol is the colorless liquid used as the solvent in the paint industry and in the preparations of number of the carbon compound. Commercial alcohol is made unfit for the drinking by the mixing it with copper sulfate and pyridine. It is called the denatured alcohol. Ethylene glycol used as the antifreeze for the car radiator. An aqueous mixture containing 50% ethylene glycol freezes at the 34 degrees Celsius and also used as the de-icing fluid for the aeroplane wings. Different type of alcohol. Different type of alcohol type compositions. Power alcohol 80% petrol plus 20% ethanols. Absolute alcohol 100% ethanol. Rectified spirit 95% alcohol plus 5% water. Denatured spirit 95% ethanol plus 5% methanol. Methylated spirit 90% ethanol plus 9% methanol plus 1% other poisonous substance. Ethers from alcohol by dehydrations. CH2 double bond CH2 H2SO4 443 केल्विन चेंज होगा CH3 CH2 OH इथेनॉल से इथीन के अंदर में चेंज होगा एंड ये H2SO4 413 केल्विन C2H5O C2H5 डाईइथाइल ईथर इथॉक्सी इथेन इथॉक्सी इथेन physical property physical state dimethyl ether and the diethyl ether except gases at the room temperature. Most of the ether are the colorless liquid with the characteristic ethereal smell polarity due to band structure. They have net dipole moment. They are polar in nature. Boiling point ether alcohol absence of H bond in the ether molecules. Solubility ethers are soluble in water to certain extent due to hydrogen bonding. Solubility decreases with increasing of the molecular mass. Ether are fairly soluble in all organic solvents such as the alcohol, chloroform, benzenes. Density ether are lighter than water. Ether are lighter than water.